कार्यक्रम के लिए मैं मानसी आप सभी का फिर से एक बार तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूं और भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर हम कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे। In keeping with the Indian tradition, the inauguration will be done by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. Initially, I request Mr. Edward Menezes and Mr. Sunil Chari to kindly do us the honors. Mr. Edward Menezes and Mr. Sunil Chari. Mr. Menezes is the Executive Chairman of Rosari Biotech Limited, as we all know, and of course, Mr. Sunil Chari is the Managing Director of Rosari Biotech Limited. Deepen Lokan Jayati, Deepas Tejomaya Smritaha, Chaturvarga Pradodeepan, Tasmat Deep Yajet Priye. Thank you. You may take your seats while I call upon Mr. Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, ICICI Securities, and Mr. Salil Pide, Joint MD and Co-CEO, Axis Capital Limited. The Sanskrit shlok that I recited a while ago roughly translates, "The Lamb is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its brightness imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. Hence, it should be lit." I will now call upon Mrs. Chari, Yash Chari, and Kari along with Yashika. Ladies and gentlemen, we also know that the lamp is a symbol of knowledge. Can we just turn around? Yes. Thank you. You may take your seats, please, while I call upon Mrs. Menezes, Mikhail, and Tanya, along with Hiranya Ashar. शुक्रिया, दीप प्रज्वलित हो गया है, कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन भी हो गया है. The lamp being lit, the function has been inaugurated. These were indeed special moments to be treasured in our memories forever. I will now call upon Mr. Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, ICICI Securities, for the opening address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Rosary Biotech Limited and the book running lead managers to the issue, I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony. We are delighted to be part of the journey of bringing Rosary Biotech to the Indian capital market. Today's listing event marks a seminal moment in the journey of Rosary Biotech, and I would like to congratulate Mr. Edward Menezes and Mr. Sunil Chari, first generation technocrat entrepreneurs who have built this scaled business from scratch to achieving this yet another remarkable milestone in their journey. Rosary's success is driven by multiple factors, including the sustained efforts by these two esteemed gentlemen. Over decades in every aspect of its business, Rosary's robust and unique business model is built around those sound and fundamental pillars of diversified and sustainable eco-friendly product portfolio, product innovation, and process improvement for its customers. Providing agile and customized solution, its fungible and expandable scale of operations, its wide distribution network, and the most important, experienced management team and stellar corporate governance standards. Therefore, it's no surprise that investors have backed Rosary Biotech today, even during the turbulent time. At ICICI Securities are proud this first IPO after a 4-month lull in the IPO market due to the lockdown in India amidst the pandemic and significant volatile market conditions. Despite the challenges, we were able to ensure smooth execution of IPO process by conducting all activities digitally, including regulatory and marketing activities. The IPO opened for subscription on 13th of July 2020, backed by strength of quality anchor investors. The IPO closed on the 15th of July 2020 with an overall oversubscription of over 79 times. The offer received overwhelming response from all categories of investors despite lockdown in India, and got subscribed over 85 times by QIBs, over 239 times by NIIs, and over 7 times by retail investors. We have achieved this blockbuster success despite the atypical circumstances we find ourselves in, and have managed to launch this IPO virtually amidst the lockdown measures, which is one more reminder that quality sells. On this auspicious and momentous occasion of listing, I would like to convey our best wishes to the company for all the success in the coming years and in the endeavor towards growth and creating value for its investors. We would also thank the investor community and the media for their continued support. With this, I would request Mr. Edward Menezes to share his thoughts on the journey so far, as well as the vision for the company with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay ji. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, a warm good morning to all of you. It is a pleasure to be standing here today at quite a historic moment for Rossari Biotech. Mr. Chari and I had embarked on this process about 3 decades ago, and it marks the beginning of a new era for Rossari Biotech as we join the illustrious ranks of listed companies on the Indian corporate space. Many years ago, 15 years ago, we started this journal. It was a technical journal, and we wanted a name for this journal. So we had asked our employees in a competition to give us the name. And one Mr. G.L. Joshi, who is sadly no more, he won the competition and he named this journal Rosera. Rosera meant Rossari's era. And I think this is the beginning of Rosera 2 after the listing. Although it has been a very dream run for both of us, but it has been a long and arduous climb. Team Rossari has graduated and we have entered the big leagues. My mother used to say, and always advise Mr. Chari and me, that when you face challenging situations and have difficult decisions to make, then you should not listen to your family and friends or any outsiders. Just make the decision and do the opposite of what your friends and family say. And look where we are today. We've done the first IPO in a lockdown, in a virtual lockdown, among all the rumblings in the last 2 months. Everybody rumbled about it, but we went ahead and did this IPO very successfully. Now, Rossari has migrated and to the next level. We have come into the public domain now. The playing field has changed. It has become bigger. We have now a big stadium. The spectators are full in the stadium. And it is on national TV. So this brings along a lot of responsibility on Rossari and to maintain a lot of discipline. So it's going to be a new innings or a new beginning for Rossari from now on. At Rossari, we have a philosophy. And this philosophy is to create the right conditions for any idea or for any kind of situation. After we create the right conditions, what we do is we do the seeding. And time and again, we found the fruits of this labor were very good. All this stems from our strategies. You just heard some of them spoken by Mr. Ajay Sharaf. They are that the company is a very agile company. It is an innovative company. with fungible assets. We are asset-light company. And our differentiated and customized solutions are based on our core intelligent chemistry. We've built teams in our company across all the segments, in our factories, in our laboratories, in the R&D, in the application development side, in finance and administration, in sales and marketing. We have built very, very strong teams. And we have very sticky employees. We have long-term distributors who are even stickier than the employees. We have sticky suppliers, we have sticky customers. And I'm sure that we will have sticky investors too. So seeding has helped us to diversify. We've diversified into newer areas, and this has broadened the potential for Rossari to grow. And this growth potential will take us miles in the near future. We are also very fortunate that our technology portfolio, our diversification, as well as our expansion that we have done at Dahej, have all emerged at the right time, in the right place, and helped us make Rossari victorious, even in these unprecedented times. Mr. Chari, who is the optimist of the two, has always been bullish throughout our journey. And I'm sure, learning from nature, we are creating the right conditions for now, as well as for the future, for growth and stellar returns to our investors. Needless to say, none of this was possible alone. Firstly, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Mr. Chari. He has been a rock of support for Rossari, steering us through difficult times, through tough times, with his capabilities, with his foresight, and with determination. I have to admit that he is the driving force behind the wide reach of Rossari. The entire distribution network, the relationship with our distributors, the relationship with our customers is primarily driven by Mr. Chari in the company. And behind this wide reach of Rossari, he has also created a lot of optimism and encouraged our sales and marketing teams and the operation teams. We both always had a fruitful relationship even before Rossari was born. And I don't think I could have asked for a better partner to grow Rossari to newer heights as we stand at the precipice of exponential growth with ambitions of becoming one of India's large conglomerates. Finally, I would like to thank all our stakeholders, our employees, both present and past, our distributor partners, our customers, suppliers, advisors, our bankers, and media partners, and all family and friends for their good wishes and support throughout this successful journey of Rossari. Thank you. I now invite Mr. Sunil Chari to share his thoughts.
Good morning. Thank you, Edward. It is a momentous day and feel very overwhelmed, humble, and also delighted. I used to come out to see the bull outside the Bombay Stock Exchange. And I used to imagine kya hota hai andar. This is the first time I've been inside the exchange. The feeling is awesome. 97, we started the journey. We borrowed 7 lakh rupees from an uncle. We had no money, but one strong support, Edward, blessings of our mothers, support of Jyoti and Anita, and support of my sisters, Neelam, Malu, Yvette, and our brother, Henry, and of course, John. The family, then we had our employees. So I would not forget to add here Puneet, Prasad, Manjari, and the scores of other employees who have helped us come here. Our distributors, our customers, our suppliers, all have stood rock solid. 1 week before the launch, we have a distinguished board. So Asim sir has been a pillar of support, guidance. He called and he said, institutional हो गया, HNI हो गया, retail का tension है. Sir, कोई tension मत लो. We, Edward, we called, all our distributors and all our employees, and we made sure that each of them spoke to at least 100 people to create a goodwill in the market. So Rossari has been, standing on pillars of ethics, on pillars of optimism, and pillars of fairness. So all these distributors, employees, good suppliers, and their families went all out. And in this, lockdown days when nobody could go to the bank, and the big markets like Surat, Ahmedabad, and Mumbai were all under lockdown, we could achieve, more than 7x in retail. This is something which is very satisfying. And, we thank God for the blessings to be the first issue after Corona, to be the first virtual IPO, first listing in this August hall. I was reading the history of Bombay Stock Exchange, and it was established on 7th July, 1875. So it is the 145th year of Bombay Stock Exchange. This podium, many illustrious people would have stood before us. Edward and me started this journey, 97 with 2 shareholders. In March, we had 48 shareholders in the company. Now, I think after the listing, we may have more than 30,000 shareholders. So our sense of responsibility grows more now. It is only the 2 of us first, but now there are 30,000. The worry is not about the big banks, the big institutions, the big HNIs. The worry is about the small investor. So one of the investor who is known to us for 30 years and has not too much money, he called, he said, Dada, I have 1 lakh and I want to put it in an IPO. So this sense of responsibility is we have to perform. We will deliver. 22 years, 23 years, we have delivered to our shareholders, to our suppliers, to our customers, without falling or failing any time. We will do it. We are on the cusp of a big journey. We are sitting on the drawing board now. We have investors now to back us up. We had nobody when we started. We had God with us now. We will grow this journey. And the Dahej plant will change the fortunes. We have now very good customers, Unilever, IFB, Bosch, Trident, Welspun, Arvind. When we requested all these people to give us, good wishes on listing day because nobody could come here, they've all sent their wishes, and I'm thankful to each of them. I would also like to thank Mr. Hiranya, who guided us in the IPO journey, to Salil sir, Ajay sir, to the Axis and the ISEC team, to our auditors, Deloitte, who did everything possible to help us, do the balance sheet on time, to our lawyers, Sam and JSA, to our partners, Concept, who did all the background work, to the scores of employees, who worked relentlessly day and night. The accounts team, Mansi, Parul, they worked day and night to make this day possible. So I'm thankful to all of you. Edward and me both started humble journey in 97 when we had no money. So the first investor in the company was the one, Mr. Uday Shinde, who gave us the first 7 lakh rupees loan. So I and Yvette, I remember going to take that 7 lakh rupees from the uncle. So uncle पूछा कितना पैसा चाहिए चारी? मैंने बोला अंकल 5-7 लाख रुपए दे दो. तो इवेट और मैं दोनों साथ में थे, अंकल के पास गए थे. एंड अंकल से 7 लाख रुपए ले करके. तो मैं इवेट को बाद में बोला, इवेट ज्यादा मांगता तो ज्यादा मिल जाता। आज हम वही स्टेज पे खड़े हैं। आज हमने इन्वेस्टर को पूछा कि हमको 600 करोड़ रुपए दो, इन्वेस्टर ने 600 दिया। आई एम श्योर वी विल गो टू द इन्वेस्टर्स अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. As we started, we spoke to a lot of brokers, lot of investors. So maybe I would have spoken to thousands of brokers and investors personally, other than our suppliers and employees and our distributors. One of the brokers said, चारी साहब, एक चीज ध्यान रखना, किसका भी कोई भी इन्वेस्टर आप पे पैसा लगाए उसको पैसा कमा के देना. So we just pray to God that God gives us the ability to give all our investors a lot of returns from when they invest in Rossari. Thank you. Thank you very much. I invite Ajay sir. Salil sir, sorry. Yeah.
So thank you, Mr. Chari, for putting the glorious journey of Rossari in a nutshell for all of us here and all of us, all those who have joined through the webcast. Yes, it is a moment of pride for Rossari. You shared a few emotional milestones along the way. Thank you so much for that. Ladies and gentlemen, and now joining us through Zoom is Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE. Welcome, sir.
Mr. Edward Menezes, Mr. Sunil Chari, Mr. Ajay Saraf, Mr. Salil Pitle. A very good morning to everyone. As I speak to you today, it feels a lot longer than 4 months that we conducted our last physical listing ceremony at BSE International Convention Hall. Before I begin, I want to extend our deepest gratitude to all those Corona warriors who are on the front lines battling this crisis, including doctors, nurses, medical staff, officials from the Government of India, sanitary workers, bankers, state government staff, local BMC staff, police, along with the staff of market infrastructure institutions like stock exchanges, clearing corporations, depositories, registrars, software providers, hardware support staff, broker staff across India, stockbroker themselves, merchant bankers, lawyers, printers, and everyone else associated with making our markets work, including our media friends who continuously keep on giving information on what is happening. They are doing everything they can to keep our society running, our markets running, so that we can continue to do our normal work, like the listing ceremony that we are conducting today at BSE International Convention Hall. The same goes for our colleagues at BSE, whose tireless commitment ensured that your exchange was fully functional and ensured uninterrupted business continuity for market participants throughout this period. I'm extremely proud of the entire BSE team, which has been working with resolve and grit to overcome this situation. Despite 90% of our employees working from home, BSE is operating at 100% capacity with no system glitches or technical outages since March 23, 2020. Since the first lockdown was announced, BSE continued to work and has not stopped since, even for a single second. It gives me great pride in informing everyone that not only critical areas like operations, information technology, surveillance, settlement were functional, BSE rolled out new features and new products throughout this period. Importantly, during the lockdown in India, fundraising via the BSE platform continued unabatedly. Funds worth Indian rupees 4.05 lakh crore were raised via equity, debt, commercial papers during Q1 first financial year 2021, ensuring that system was flush with liquidity when businesses needed them the most. We are now glad that initial public offerings of equity are picking up again after a 4 months hiatus, during which the market was dominated by follow-on share sales, block trades, bonds, SMEs, and startups. On this note, it gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you again to Rossari Biotech listing to the BSE. Listing of a company is a key step for moving forward, opening new avenues and opportunities for growth. An IPO gives prominence to the endeavor of the company, and we at BSE always look forward to encouraging the accomplishment of these best practices. As seen in the past, growth and impetus played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets. It is Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange to offer trading in all asset classes, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. It provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in bouquet of products like equities, debt, currencies, commodities, and equity derivatives, along with interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending and borrowing, and many other things. BSE puts forward a strong, robust platform for investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. I'm sure that our newest member will continue to add value to the Indian capital markets. Book build public issue of 1 crore 16 lakhs 76,470 equity shares of rupees 2 each were offered by Rosary in the price band of rupees 423 to 425, aggregating to rupees 496.25 crores. Despite the challenging situation, the issue was oversubscribed in an overwhelming manner, suggesting a huge demand from retail, HNIs, and institutional segments. It augurs well for India's Atmanirbhar Bharat movement. Rosary, for me, is a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat standing tall when India requires its corporate sector to stand up and be counted. I congratulate the management of Rosary Biotech, merchant bankers, and everyone involved with this issue for receiving such an overwhelming response and successful listing as they forge forward in their plans. I extend my best wishes to the company and once again welcome them on the main board of BSE. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship with Rosary Biotech in the years to come. Thank you.
Joyous and equally significant occasion. And now, the vote of thanks will be proposed by Mr. Salil Pitle, Joint MD and Co-CEO, Axis Capital Limited.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This listing ceremonies are usually a very momentous occasion for any company. For Rosary and for all of us over here, it's a very special moment this time around, more than most other IPOs, because we are all, as a society, going through a very tough time. And 3-4 months back, an IPO itself looked impossible. It's been quite a journey for this company to actually pull off an IPO in such trying times. And we at Axis Capital and ISEC are extremely proud and privileged to have been able to launch this first IPO in this 4 months period in the lockdown. I would specifically like to congratulate Mr. Chari, Mr. Menezes, Mansi, Hiranya, the entire team of Rosary Biotech and all their employees for really pulling off such an absolutely stellar IPO. I think I was listening to the speeches from all of the people concerned over here, and they all came from the bottom of their heart. It speaks volumes for the enterprise that's got built out. And as we pause and think over the kind of enterprise that's got built, a few things come to mind. Here's an enterprise which demonstrates how Indian educated middle class can take the leap from being just educated employees for 30-40 years of their life to taking the leap to become entrepreneurs without necessarily having capital, getting capital in whatever form and fashion initially, but building a high quality business franchise is something that Rosary has really proven over the last 2.5-3 decades. I think it's a fantastic combination of, I think Edward G really put it across, a fantastic combination of some conservatism and the optimism that Sunil Chari ji brings. I think that mixture of these two really has worked wonders for this organization over the period of time. So I think that's a combination to look forward to. I think the other thing that came to mind was that a lot of very few people use what they have learned in their, the colleges and their initial jobs to build businesses. And here's, a set of people who've used their chemistry backgrounds to the hilt to again build out a franchise which has been absolutely fabulous in nature. I think that their friendship is something which has brought them to this level. We see this as an integral element of their success, and we have no doubt that this is going to help this organization build on and become the fantastic franchise in the years ahead. So at this IPO, a lot of people have said this. This IPO has got a phenomenal response. 6 lakh plus applications in the midst of a lockdown is no mean achievement. A 79 times oversubscription is a phenomenal achievement. It's testimony to the efforts put in by the company, the quality of the franchise that they've built out, and the efforts of everyone concerned. A lot of the top tier investors have entrusted their faith in this organization. The journey for the organization and the listed part has just begun. And I'm sure they are extremely well equipped to honor the faith and commitment that a wide set of investors have shown in them. All the very best for your listed journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much for extending your best wishes, among other things. And now we will play a testimonial AV. Kindly take a look at the screen.
Really thrilled that it has been oversubscribed by about 79 times. Let the technical, technological, and innovation capability of the group be a blessing to all the stakeholders, investors, and the nation as a whole. One more step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Sunil, all my blessing to you. Let the organization grow day by day, day by day, day by day to greater heights. All the best to you.
Hey Sunil, congratulations on the listing. I know that the time is not very far, that very soon you guys will be a part of Nifty 50. Cheers, best of luck.
My best wishes to Sunil and Edward on the Rossari Biotech listing. And I have known both of them for quite some time. And I know they're running an absolutely fantastic company. So I wish the listing all success. And I'm sure the company will do very well in the years to come.
I have penned a poem called The Mighty Call. Here I recite for you. Recall our meeting in 2018, went a year in between, wanted to know what call to take, with tested live streams at stake, gave I 4 options to Sunil Chari. IPO was the tallest one for Rossari. Sunil and Edward went for the toughest call. Today they stand Everest tall. IPO in March, all set to go. Corona came in with a surprise no. In July, first to list post-COVID, investors found the issue rock solid. 79x, a record beyond dream, found Rossari to be the cream. Rossari script all set to fly, I am sure would set records mighty high. With expectations and global plans aspire, Rossari's kingdom all set to be empire. Looking forward to collaborate with Rossari for Galaxy, that would be perfect chemistry. Jira, Galaxy co-founder. Thank you. All the very best, Team Rossari.
Hi, Sunil and Edward. Congratulations on this stellar achievement of the first online IPO. To have an IPO oversubscribed by over 80 times is indeed amazing. A just reward for Rossari, an organization built by you with care, imagination, and tenacity. All the very best.
I'm very happy to see the Rossari moving more and more further up and under your and Edward's guidance and leadership. And I wish you all the best on the auspicious occasion of listing of Rossari today. All the best to you, Sunil Bhai, and all at Rossari. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. It's a great pleasure and honor for me to participate like this in the listing ceremony of Rossari Biotech and I wish the whole company, its founders and employees, every success in going public and in the future.
As a company which is full of innovation and energy, driving the business fields forward. And I'm very proud to know the top management, Edward and Sunil personally. They're full of drive and passion about their company, and they will drive it forward also in the future.
I would like to wish Rossari all the very best as it is poised to get listed on 23rd July. This is an important milestone in the journey of Rossari, which started before more than 2 decades. It is a combination of hard work, commitment, ambition, and innovation that has led to this success.
Congratulations, Sunil, Edward, and to Team Rossari. Incredibly pleased with the hugely oversubscribed issue and what I know will be an epic listing. A great commentary for being able to do what is right and to still do it profitably. So congratulations, and I wish you all the very best for the future.
It's my pleasure and privilege to congratulate Rossari, Chari and Edward and the entire top management for a successful issue. I think I've seen this company for more than a decade, about 15 years or thereabouts. When in my previous bank, we were the first lender to this company. And the enthusiasm that I saw then and the enthusiasm I'm seeing today is no different.
Mr. Chari is one of the most humble and hardworking founders I've come across. My best wishes to Rossari Biotech for a blockbuster IPO.
I congratulate Sunil, Chari and Edward for their successful IPO of Rossari. I've been seeing their hard working with ethical. They have grown very well. I wish them the successful de-winning as a listed company. Wish you all the best.
I have known Edward Menezes and Sunil Chari for many, many years. And I am very impressed with the way they have brought up Rossari Biotech Limited to this level today. I'm very happy for Rossari Biotech going public. I wish that their market cap grows many, many folds in coming years. Best of luck and congratulations to Sunil and Edward. God bless.
I know very well Edward and Sunil, and they are top-class managers, and they deserve a lot of success. They have a strong team, and they are very good in all aspects of their business. So have a nice day and very successful introduction, and I wish you a lot of success for the future.
Eagerly waiting has almost arrived. Due to social distancing norms, I will request only Mr. Edward Menezes and Mr. Sunil Chari to proceed for the ringing of the gong initially. This will mark the official listing of Rossari Biotech Limited on the BSE platform. Let us all put our hands together when the countdown begins, as the timer will strike 10 seconds to 10. It will be a great honor to be introduced and welcomed on the new corporate ladder. Well, we are almost there. 10, 9, 8, wait sir, 7, 6, 5, 4. I can understand the excitement. 2, 1, and congratulations. Woo! Heartiest congrats to the management, investors, stakeholders of Rossari Biotech Limited on the official listing on the BSE. बहुत बधाई हो. Now I would request Mr. Ajay Saraf and Mr. Salil Pitay to please ring the gong. All right. Making memories, यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए, और इसी के साथ कार्यक्रम का समापन होता है। मैं मानसी आपसे विदा लेती हूँ। We will conclude the function on that note. This is Manasi taking your leave. Have a lovely day ahead, everybody. Thank you.